Hi! Hi, how are you everyone? Happy New Year! Thanks for watching my videos. So this one video I'm updating our factory working delay. So currently we are hiring up for many orders. This one is 2 meters diameter, big drum rotary dryer for the biomass materials. And this is for pellet production line, and also the buffering silo for the rice husk, sodas, biomass materials. And this is the big cyclone separator and also the airlock for the dryer. Also, we are now hiring up carbonization furnace. So this one is horizontal 5 meters long furnace. It's two working in one line, so its purification system is connected. So when we working on the first furnace, there will be extra flammable gas. Then we bring it to the second furnace, so it's using the recycled gas instead of the external heating fuel, so it's very energy saving. So it's working together in one line. So also the buffering silo. And also another one is also customized. This is horizontal, vertical using the hoist. So one and hoist, electric hoist. To working one batch by one batch. This is inner furnace with a dome cover like this. And like this silver color, they are all high temperature resistant painting. All the cover and the furnace body is with double layer with inside the middle insulation layer, so it's good at the heat insulation. So this is 4 working in one line, 4 outer stoves. So if you are interested in the carbonization furnace for wide range biomass materials, just do not hesitate to contact him. It's also the buffering silo with a conveyor underneath. It's also conveyors. It's the comprehensive crusher. 15 to 20 tons per hour with K-series reducer, electric type. So this video I'm showing you the working delay of our factory. So we are specialized in biomass materials processing machines, crusher, dryer, carbonization furnace, briquette machines. So if you are interested in getting a solution, just do not hesitate to contact him. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Bye.